Hello everyone, welcome to a new session. In this session we're going to continue working on factorizing the quadratic trinomials. Let's go. Here we have the form ax squared plus bx plus c. The difference in this session that beside the x squared will be a coefficient other than the 1. Remember that if I have 2x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 5, the result will be 2x squared plus 13x plus 15. Let's go and see this exercise to know how can we factorize this type of quadratic trinomials. First of all, we look for the HCF. If there's an HCF, we factorize first, but in this case, we don't have an HCF now. So what we're going to do is we always multiply the a, the number beside the x squared, by the c, which is the number that has no x. So if you multiply 3 times 12, the result is 36. And the last sign is plus. So we want two numbers. Their product is 36, not 12. It's 36 and their sum is 13. What times what equals 36 and plus each other is 13? Yes, good job. The 9 and the 4. So we're going to make this as 3x squared plus the 9x and the 4x plus the 12. So the 13x, we wrote it as 9x plus 4x. After that, we're going to group each two together. Factorize each one. The HCF is 3x. If we divide, it will be x plus 3. And the other one, the HCF is 4. If you factorize, it will be x plus 3. To be sure that you are on the right track, you must have one bracket in common. So the bracket in common, we write it once, and then we collect the singles in the other bracket. If you want to check, if you multiply these two brackets together and expand them and simplify them, it must give you 3x squared plus 13x plus 12. Question 2. Is there an HCF? No, there isn't HCF. So we multiply the A by the C. 14 times 5 is 70. So we're looking for two numbers. Here we have the last sign is plus. So last sign is plus means sum. We're looking for two numbers. Their sum is 17 and multiplied each other is 70. Yes, excellent. That's super easy. It's the 10 times the 7. So we rewrite this by making it by 4 terms. So it's 14x squared minus 10x minus 7x plus 5. We always take the bigger number first. 10 and 7, we take the bigger number first. So here, if we group this, here we take the HCF, that is 2x, and then what's left is the 7x minus 5. And here the x must be positive, so we take a negative 1 outside and we change all the signs. To know that you're doing a good job is that you have a common bracket, right? So we write the common bracket once, and then we collect the singles, the 2x minus the 1. Question 3, is there an HCF? No, there isn't an HCF. So we multiply the 2 by the 6, so it's 12. Here the last sign is minus, so we want two numbers. Their product is 12 and their difference is 1. Yes, excellent. It's the 4 and the 3. So 2x squared minus the 4x plus the x. The difference between the -4 and the +3 is -1. After that, we make the -6. We collect every two terms together. So the common factor here is 2x, then it's x minus 2, and then the common factor here is 3, then it's x minus 2. The common bracket is x minus 2, and then we collect the singles as 2x plus 3. Which bracket comes first? It doesn't matter. Question 4, we have to arrange it in the right form first. It's 5a squared plus 6a minus 27. Then we multiply the 5 by the 27, it's 135. The last sign is minus. We're looking for two factors. Their difference is 6. What are these two factors? Yes, excellent. They are the 15 and the 9. As long as we said the difference, so the signs of them are different. So 5a squared minus 15a plus 9a minus 27. After that, we collect the first two together in a group, the second two in another group. Then the common factor is 5a, so what's left is a minus 3, and here the common factor is 9, and what's left is a minus 3. The common bracket, we write it once, and then the singles, we put them together. Question 5 has the same idea. So here, there is no HCF. We multiply the 6 by the 2. We multiply the 3 by the 2. So it is 6. After that, the last sign is positive. We're looking for two factors. Their sum is 7. Yes, they are the 6 and the 1. So it's 3b squared plus 6b plus 1b plus 2. Then we collect the first two together and the last two together. So it's 3b, open bracket, b plus 2 plus, there's no common factor, so it's the 1, and then it's b plus 2. The common bracket, we write it once, and then we write the two singles together in one bracket. In this one also, there is no HCF in question 6. We multiply the 9 by the 1. It's 9. I want two numbers as long as that the last one is plus. I want two factors of 9. Their sum is 6. Yes, excellent. They are the 3 and the 3. So here it's 9x squared minus 3x minus 3x plus 1. So after that, we collect them as groups. So the common factor is 3x, so 3x minus 1. And then we take a -1 outside because x's, we said before that they must be positive. So it's 3x minus 1. The common bracket is here ready for you, which is the 3x minus 1. And then we multiply the singles as 3x minus 1. As long as here the two brackets are identically the same, I can call them as 3x minus 1 all squared. Question 7. There is no HCF given, so we're going to multiply the 12 by the 5. So it is 60. I want two factors of 60. Their difference is 28. Yes, good job there, the 30 and the 2. Right? So it's 12x squared. The bigger number takes the first sign, so it's plus 30xy minus the 2xy minus 5y squared. If you combine the first two together and the last two together, so the common factor in the first one is 6x, so it will be 2x plus 5y, and the other one, there is no common factor except the y, so it's -y, and then this one is 2x plus 5y. The common bracket tells you that you're doing a great job, and then you collect the singles as 6x minus y. Question 8. 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. If we multiply the 2 by the 1, it gives us 2. The last sign is positive. We're looking for two factors. Their sum is 3. There is no other factors except the 2 and the 1. So it's 2x squared plus 2x plus 1x plus 1. So when we combine them as groups, 2x is the common factor, and what's left is x plus 1 as a common factor with x plus 1 as well. So the common bracket is x plus 1, and what's left is 2x plus 1 as well. Let's now go to question number 9. 3a squared plus 7a plus 2, the same thing, same idea. So we multiply here the 3 by the 2. It's 6. Last sign is positive. We want two factors. Their sum is 7. Yes, they're the 6 and the 1. So it's 3a squared plus 6a plus 1a plus 2. Then the first two together as one group. The common factor is 3a. So what's left is a plus 2. And the second one is one group. So the common factor is 1. So it's a plus 2 as well. Then after that, it's a plus 2 as a common bracket multiplied by the singles 3a plus 1. Question 10. There is no HCF, so the 6 multiplied by the 3 as an 18. Last sign is plus, so I'm looking for two numbers, or two factors of 18. Their sum is 11. Yes, excellent. They are the 9 and the 2. So it's 6x squared minus 9x minus 2x plus 3. If we collect every two terms together as one group, the common factor here is 3x. So it's 2x minus 3. And here there is no common factor, but the x is negative. So we make the x positive as negative 1. 2x minus 3 as well. So the common bracket is 2x minus 3, where the other single bracket is 3x minus 1.